Okay, may we call on Governor, Sir Frank, Nico Anastasio, and Mr. AJ, President of Chapter Youth Council, okay, to award the certificates and the cash prize. 10K category. Okay? Yes. The President. Okay? Just to give you an idea, guys, Governor, siya ang ating ang President sa National Youth Council. Si Sir AJ, or si Director AJ, ang ating Presidente for the Chapter Youth Council, Laguna Chapter. At si Mr. si Mr. Nico Anastasio, ang ating Presidente, Red Cross Youth of UPLB. Okay? Now, and syempre, Sir Frank, ating batang-batang poging-poging OIC. Ano nga yun, Sir Jay? OIC in the Laguna Chapter, okay. Now, for the 10K female category, third place. May lag ha. Geraldine Nabuan from UPLB Trantados with an official time of 1 hour and 8 minutes. Okay? Dito man. Ma'am, dito po. Okay? For the second place. Yes. Medyo naging punctual ka na, kuya. Punctual. Okay, Myra Abanador from Laguna de Bay running team with an official time of 57 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay? Okay, pose. At ang medyas, huwag kakalimutan ng medyas. Isali ang medyas. Ay, itaas ba? Makikitaas mo ng medyas. ng medyas. Okay? So, okay. First place, 10K female category. Mary Joy Cabaldo of LSPU LB with an official time of 50 minutes and 40 seconds. Picture with the stock. Picture with the stock. Okay, again, here are your winners for the 10K female category. Yes, congratulations, guys. Okay, now for the 10K male category, third place. Yeah, third place. Okay, third place. Paulo Abiera of Mac Runners with an official time of 43 minutes and 40 seconds. Second place, Dari Bado of Mac Runners with an official time of 41 minutes and 50 seconds. Palakpakan! Siyempre, papahuli ba? 10K! Male category, first place. Okay? Mark Anthony Oximar of PUP Santa Mesa with an official time of 41 minutes and 16 seconds. Congratulations. Yes. Okay, again, here are your winners for the 10K male category. Okay. Okay, meron pa po. Wait lang. Okay, nandyan na daw. Ito muna po. Para sa mga 3K at 5K winners, pwede nyo nang i-claim yung cash prizes nyo dito po sa may gilid po ng stage.